Alright, Forex market guys, back for the second time today. We got the dollar versus the Canadian. We've been here really, literally a few days ago, right? Before the weekend, we talked about the dollar Canadian, but I felt it was important to come back because we're having a moment right now. We're having the moment of truth for the dollar Canadian seems to be breaking down, right? It's literally in the process of crossing below that big support 2466, which is literally the dividing factor, because beyond that point, if price is going to make it here, if it's going to be successful breaking down, I think it's going to start the move, right? Because we see no obstacles in between until the big one at 1891. So what I'm trying to suggest here, guys, is if 2466 is gonna get broken, right? It could happen today. Looks like it's happening today. Price will literally begin a downside move with a lot of potential, right? All the way to 1891. By the way, 1891, just to refresh your memory quickly, is well, first it's the previous low. Right, it's pretty much around the previous low. Lowest low, 2060. So not too far, right? 1891. But 1891 is not just the previous low. It's actually Fibonacci projection measurement. It's a Fibonacci projection key level, right? Which we came up with after analyzing the previous opposite move from bottom to top, right? Just apply 161.8. That's the golden rate as far as projection analysis goes, and you'll find yourselves right there, 1890. So we think, price is heading towards that area. We're talking about 500 pip, 550 pip from this point forward, and we already collected a few pips here on the downside. Because we got in before the break, right? Before price even engaged with 2466, we landed the first shot. All I can say is this: we need to be sure that price is really breaking down. So even if it's going to be able to close the day today below 2466, it doesn't mean that it's breaking down necessarily. That still needs to be confirmed. It can only be confirmed by the weekly closing bar, which we're gonna have, by the end of the week. So yeah, I mean, we're gonna if price is gonna be able to cross below 2466, don't get me wrong, we're gonna see that as a green light to proceed, right? But like I said, as far as confirmation goes, that will have to wait to the end of the week. And once we get that, of course, we can only hope for that kind of reaction, and of course we're just going to get more aggressive, right? We're just going to build up that position with from a confident standpoint, right? So yeah, dollar Canadian, guys, really exciting right now. All eyes are on that 2466 level and price action that seems to be trying to drill through. It failed on Friday. It failed a couple of days before, right? Last Wednesday, it was engaging with that level. So, I mean, I don't know how this is going to end, but looks like price is getting some negative momentum, which it's going to need if it's going to break that level. So, we'll definitely come back to follow up on the situation here, and we'll keep you posted. That's about that for the day today, Forex market. We'll be back tomorrow. Take care.